I'll be shocked to see it.
Is there still more, Rebecca?
No. There's banana bread, though.
It's banana bread.
Oh, is it?
It's not as the same as normal.
Is that for real?
Yeah, there's what's happened when I get hiccups.
I'm sure it has to be that loud with a head jolt.
It is, and it's so embarrassing. I'll be at a nightclub, right, and I'll be dancing, and I'll get the hiccups, and they can't hear them. All they can see is my head going. Like that. Seriously, my head jolts when I get hiccups.
Hold your breath.
You've got a bloody cane toad or something.
I get them all the time. I'm surprised you guys haven't seen them before.
You can get rid of it if you hold your breath. Take a
You can't. I've tried everything, okay?
Take a huge big breath and it'll go. Hold your nose.
Yeah, but then you get the feeling like you keep waiting for the next one to come. I'd rather let them go naturally.
Well, how do they go naturally when you're doing that?
They just stop.
Oh.
You're nuts. Else other than... Shut up.
I can't.
Hold your breath. 20 seconds. Go like this.
First told her, and she said no. She can't.
Look at me.
Hold it again.
They've stopped. No, they haven't.
Squats. People bring out soda. You work out? What do you do for lunch? Nothing in here because I can't. You do walking lunges and squats. What's that? Nothing in here. I guess I could do walking lunges, but I can't do squats because I can't put my arm back to the wall. I do lunges the rest of my life. Hurt my knee, hurt my knees bad. Probably did them wrong. How your form is horrible. That's why you hurt yourself. No, I heard it doing lunges. I used to lunge with 185 pounds like a moron. He's all about the weight. So stupid. So dumb. TikTok, you don't stop.
Now, I don't want them sleeping. Do it now so they can't go to bed. It's my night. It's my night. Tell them. Fucking tell them. You're in charge. Sort it out. God.
3:19 a.m. Most of the housemates are in bed. Susie is asleep in the golden bedroom. Nikki is in the bathroom.
Yeah, I don't think she'll last long. She should not be able to act it in her wheels. So I'm not changing the way that I am. Why should I? She's been programmed to come in here.
This is what I said, right?
She puts me up for nomination, she puts me, I ain't gonna brand this, I ain't gonna lick no fucking bird's arse to keep me in.
Then you can't get it back out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jumper.
Boys are crazy.
They are bored. No, I'm not. It's 5
My pants.
We need to get some, who split their pants?
Me.
Brian.
That's no, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Right here.
I had the hiccups really bad. I'm about to go to bed. If we can't go outside, I'm about to go to bed.
Yeah, I know, right?
Because I can't sit here and be hungry all night long.
Oh, that's terrible. That's not good. I know, I'm gonna die of boredom. This is boring.
Mm-hmm. Plus, there's not a lot to talk about. That's not repetitive. But I wonder...
Quiet. Son?
Oh, thanks for making dinner. Oh, wash.
Oh, it's been a good.
How'd yourself out? Wash up.
As long as everyone is
Sebastian, what time are you waking up tomorrow?
11. Big brother, come on. It's your birthday. It's a celebration. No! Well, fuck it. Let's wake up at 12. Why 11?
I'll do
12.
it like that, block on.
No, 11 is fine, Sebastian.
And blow.
Yeah, why would I ask for 12?
It was 9. What are we going to do?
From 9?
9.
They never get any footage till like 1 o'clock. I don't know why they wake us up.
It's not working.
You what?
So they never get any footage from us until like 1 o'clock. I don't
know,
know
but
why
I
they wake
suppose
up us that
people want to
early.
see us having breakfast and waking
You
up.
want to see me in the morning?
We can have breakfast half
Where's
11.
Kenny?
We can have breakfast 12.
Yeah.
We
Yes,
act,
we can, Rodrigo.
We act like if we are, we pretend we are in 9 o'clock. We wake up really
Yeah.
tired.
We will still be tired. We
Hey,
will
man,
still
I've
be
been up to about
tired.
11.
Yeah, we
11
plan
o'clock.
everything. We
They
plan
can't wake us
everything.
up at fucking 3 in the evening. We will still be tired.
Yeah, we'll plan. We'll plan. We wake up looking tired, and then we'll come.
Oh,
watch
I've got the
TV, make a toast.
hiccups. I don't like it. It's hurt me implants.
What happened with your implant?
I got new hiccups.
What does that mean?
I'm like, them.
Just
I've done that.
no. You need to hold for a hold. Don't breathe. Hold, and then you swallow. Yeah. You can have mine. It's not. You don't need to say this, Sebastian. But Sebastian, you don't need to say it. You can go and take. You know that. You can go and take.
I will go on
But
first.
then after that, you'll suffer the consequence.
I will go on over
You
there.
know
I can't get rid of the hiccups.
You know you can see.
Still here. It didn't go.
Anyone can take.
It didn't go.
What?
It didn't work.
What did not work?
I still got the
You need to do. And then in the end, when you stop, don't not now, but when you stop, just swallow there.
Yeah.
I'll
Will.
try to hold
Will.
as maximum you can. As maximum you can. And in the end, you swallow there.